Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to generate professional looking headshots using ChatGPT. So as y'all see right here, this is kind of the before pictures we used, and this was the pictures we were able to generate. All we did was use ChatGPT and some custom prompts, which I'll have linked down in my Skool community that y'all can join. And so I'm just going to show y'all how to use these prompts inside of ChatGPT. It's not going to be anything too complex. It's essentially just going to be taking the prompts, using photos of yourself, and generating the image. So the first thing you want to do is go over to ChatGPT and go to New Chat. And then I have 7 or 8 different prompts right here that y'all can use depending on what you want to use the headshots for. You can just copy one of these prompts. So we'll do this clean studio headshot. We'll just copy this prompt right here. We're going to paste it in. Now we're going to upload the images that we have of ourselves. Whatever picture you take, just make sure you take a clean headshot with good lighting. For me, I'm going to upload 2 images, one of me smiling, one of me not. And then just make sure it's in thanking mode. Just hit enter. Alright, so this is the image it generated right here. Looks pretty good. I mean, it looks like me for the headshot that I wanted. If y'all want to use any of these prompts, I'll have these prompts linked in my preschool community, this whole PDF file, and y'all can just copy and paste and use any of these for different headshots, whatever you're trying to get, whatever type of headshot you're trying to achieve. So yeah, just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and comment what videos or tutorials y'all want to see.